Can we attack him?
That was amazing, Master.
It was. Wow!
Hey, can you show me how to do that?
I will give you the power. Get away.
Whoa! I feel the power coursing through my veins.
Show me what you can do.
Faster, it's spinning! What do we do?
We are ready to take on the ninja.
Ah! Ese, what are you doing? How'd they get here so quick? Oh, me neither. Wait! He was my henchman! Yeah. He was with me, and then he went with the evil twin. And then, where did you find him?
He was playing WoW.
Wow!
World of Warcraft. The best game ever.
We shall fight them now. Show them your new moves. Are we too late for the fight?
No, we're just starting.
Hey, where'd our master go? Oh, he said he had some business to take care of. Just a poof of smoke and he was gone.
Show them your new moves, Frenchie.